Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm just going to go through some stuff I already had that I haven't bought recently that I've been using at the car boot. And maybe now I've decided to do a few restorations. Some of it might survive and not go back to the car boot. Firstly, there's a little small there, nice Corvette. Quite like that, can't be hard to do, intact. Nice little motor. Not sure what we've got here, could be a Range Rover, looks like a Range Rover. Nothing needs doing to that, probably go back in the car boot, not that keen on it. Police car, number 15. Ford Crown Victoria, probably from the 90s they were driving around in those. Bit tatty but probably straight back to the car boot. Oh, definitely a keeper. Split windscreen, VW Beetle, small Corgi, like that. That could be staying on display. Just a couple of marks on it, not too bad. And then its modern equivalent, the new shape Beetle. It's been out a while, in a bit better condition, but quite complimentary to go with the other one. And I'm not sure what this is, could be a Range Rover Defender or a Discovery. I think it's a Discovery. So that's a nice one, but I think that'll be going back to the car boot. Then there's a nice little tipper truck. What's that? Upside down, can't see it. Site dumper, 1978. Super fast. Bit chipped and worn. Could be a keeper to restore. And a couple of bigger ones in the collection. Reminds me for some reason of Banana Splits, this one. It's a K31 Burtone Runabout, Matchbox Super Kings. Not sure about the suspension on that. Bit of the sticker gone. Could be a nice restoration, that one. Oh, another small crept in. Fire truck based on the Ford Explorer. That's going back to the car boot. Maybe the best of the bunch in the car boot at the moment. Definitely one for restoring. Honda Racing K611 pickup truck. I suspect there was a bike in there at one point, and I know there was a plastic sort of orange canopy. Glass looks good. Looks good first time restore. Then another one I've had for quite a while that wasn't in the car boot. Boeing 727. Lost his undercarriage. That's not going to come back. I think they're a bit ugly on these anyway because they're always oversized. Definitely probably an easy restoration and quite like the aviation side. So what else we got? Oh. Old style truck, Jonesy's Vans type from Dad's Army, Corgi. Looks quite tidy actually. Maybe just give it a clean and put it into the car boot. Concrete Company. Looks in overall very good condition. Modern Corgi. Door mirrors missing. That's the only thing wrong with it. I think that's probably going to go to the car boot. Just pushing over it. What we got here? BMW convertible. Got his roof on. Feels like it might come off. Doors don't open. very good condition. 325i. Licensed product. Very good condition. I think though he may end up in the car boot. I've got a restriction on how many of these I can keep on space. I'll think about it. He's tidy. And I've got a Z4 already. James Bond Mustang Mark 1. Looks in overall good condition. Doors open. Not sure if this was one Bond himself drove or one of the villains. Just a couple of chips on the wing there. Be nice if we could get an exact match and touch them up, because you don't really want to fully restore that. It's in quite good condition. And I do like a Mustang, so that's definitely a keeper, come what may. Something from Star Trek. Not sure what that particular one is. It's a 1998. Doesn't say what it is. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. Could be a keeper. Could be some bits missing. Not sure. Oh no, they're legs. Landing legs. Only 2 of them. So it ain't going to stand up by itself. That is a fact. Unless it's meant to be on its back. And finally, the classic Thunderbird 2. Little worn on the yellow. Not bad overall. Got all these legs. Yep, they come out. Well, I know for a fact, and I've got no fingernails to get that open, but Thunderbird 4 is not in the pod. Not sure what to do with him. Might be going to the car boot. So that was all the car boot stuff I already had. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It's nice to know somebody's watching, and I'll be back shortly. Thank you.